Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. Firstly, as always, big thank you to all my subscribers. Now, the reason I'm wearing a daft hat is because it's Christmas time. And as it's that time of year, it's time to make some Christmas decorations with my grandson. So, I've cut out a Father Christmas and a Christmas star on the laser engraver. I've got a selection of acrylic paints. I've got some brushes. So now I'm going to go and get my grandson and he can start painting. Are you painting his boots?
Yes. And you're painting his gloves.
Okay.
So here you go, your gloves.
Right, we're going to let this paint dry. We'll finish painting them and we'll come back when it's time to assemble it. Painting's finished, now it's time to assemble him. What we're going to do is we're going to drill some holes and put some of these paper clips through.
Paper pins.
Paper pins then. We'll put some paper pins through and then he'll be finished.
And we're going to use a drill. It's time to drill.
It is. Right. Go on then. Right. So leave that there just while we position his arms. Right, hang on.
I'm ready.
Hang on, let me position the drill. Well then. Stop. Okay. His other arm. Just check it for. Yeah, that looks fine to me. Don't grab the trigger until I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Go. That's it.
Oh, that was my favourite bit.
I know.
Oh, retrieve Santa's leg.
Yep, Santa's leg.
So you won't have just one leg.
Right.
Imagine if you just floated down.
Right, don't grab the trigger until I've got
Are
position.
you ready?
Don't grab it until I'm ready. Right, there you go, love. Come on.
That has to be enough. My
Right.
favourite bit.
So that's where one leg is. So the other leg needs to go about there. Right, just a minute. Go.
So now let's assemble the paper pins. I love saying paper pins. So first we need to attach his head.
So we need 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't know how these things work. They're hard to work with.
Well, what you do is you bend one way,
I didn't know it was a double-sided
and you
tie.
bend one the other way.
Okay, so not just both ways. So both ways.
Yeah, they're split into 2.
Yeah, I thought it always some split into 2, some split into 1.
Okay, that's fine.
Oops.
It's meant to do that, love.
No, his leg went into the paint.
So
This arm goes here.
yes.
Now he looks like he's blinged out.
I know.
Gold. So we need another leg.
That's right. You need another leg.
So we can walk to town and press the exhaust on his reindeer sleigh. Right? If he needs to help Rudolph and encourage him to fly, how is he going to press the biscuit button? I don't know if Rudolph's a fan of biscuits, but I think he is. Personally, that just is my thoughts. Because biscuits are yummy. Imagine if Rudolph doesn't like biscuits now.
Right.
Now we're gluing.
Yep. Now we're going to glue the star together. Right. Just a minute. Just a minute. Right. Let's position it.
Put it in a clip. Put it in a clip.
Right. So you try and keep it even. Right. You put the clamp on. Into the middle. In the middle. As close to the middle of the star as you can get it. That's it. Yeah, that looks alright.
Now we have to wait for it to dry.
Yep.
Before we can paint the backside.
Once it's dry, we're going to coat it in glue and put some glitter on it.
Take a little paint. Put some white paint, which is actually glue.
Yeah, we're going to try and get it everywhere.
Yeah, even in the cracks. So it can be extra glittery. We need extra glittery. It's actually very hard with glue to paint. I can't believe why the professionals nearly look like they're going to throw it out the window when they're working glue like this. At this scale. Grandpa, can you move your hand?
I'm holding it in place. Move your finger, move your finger. I'll try and get it everywhere, remember? On the sides and everything.
Wash, 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 wash. Wash, 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 wash. Washy, wash, washy, wash. Wash, washy, wash, wash. We gotta wash, we gotta wash.
Right,
we gotta
stop.
Wash, wash, wash,
Stop
wash.
a minute. Stop a minute.
Yes.
Right.
Wait.
Move your finger. me a glue brush.
Gluey brush.
Right.
Can I sprinkle some on? I think that's enough glitter.
Let's try and make sure every bit's covered.
Woo! Red glitter. Grandpa, if there's any huge lumps like this, I'll just pick it up and spread it about. Like what you do with sprinkles. Can we lift it up?
Yeah, you can turn it over. Right. Put it down over there. Please don't do that.
Clean it up.
I will clean it up in a minute. Next step is we need to put a pipe cleaner on the back so it can be fastened on the tree.
Grandpa's going to mix two glues together. And yeah, I'm going to see.
This is 2-part epoxy glue.
And then we're going to put it on here in the middle. And put a pipe cleaner, which is Christmassy. And it's quite nice to feel the one pipe cleaner. So soft. Seems like we're going to use it. But I will just stroke it on its back. Wait. I can tell that epoxy glue smells strong.
It does. Just wait.
I've got a pipe cleaner.
Just wait. You get a bit more.
You put in as much glue as you can. It's only a pipe cleaner. Wait, is this just one pipe cleaner wrapped around another one?
No, it's just one pipe cleaner.
Oh, nice. Are you ready?
Yep.
So is this good?
Yep. Alright, stop. 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 Let go. Shove it down into the glue.
And the glue's leaking.
No, it's fine.
But it's on the back anyways.
Right. We need to let that set.
Yes?
And then we're ready to go on the tree.
Okay.
Right. We're all finished.
Finished.
Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks
And
for watching.
And Merry Christmas.